Is
There you
it going now?
There we go.
Okay. This is Kyle.
Trenton.
Trenton. This is Trenton, and he's going to tell us about our new washer. Maybe I should turn it like this so I can see the dials better.
There you go.
Is that better?
Good view.
Trenton's going to tell us how to operate this.
Alright, so on this far left panel we have the wash temperature, hot, warm, cold here for you. It is just a couple little switches here in the middle. Just go ahead and flip it over to select them. It's going to be your wash temperature. Every rinse temperature is going to be cold. Load size here on the side, you can tell it has a lot of intermediate notches on this one, so mini, small, medium, extra large. Those are just suggestions. And then you can set it in the in-betweens.
You can put it in between.
Exactly.
Okay.
If you start a load and then you feel like you need to switch it halfway in between, you maybe add some more clothes, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Go ahead and flip it to the reset.
Oh.
And then back to wherever you feel like you need it.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's a good feature.
Yep. If you use fabric softeners, or you ever decide to,
We do.
okay, then we want to make sure that you use about half the recommended amount.
Oh.
They just can be kind of hard on your drain hose, bearings, those sort of things.
Okay.
Or detergent and fabric softener.
Exactly. And then also you're going to
What
want
was that comment?
detergent and fabric softener.
Use
you're gonna
half. Use half on detergent and fabric softener, just because a lot of those stuff tend to stay in the machine, and you want a little bit more water to break those out of there. So always use the extra rinse when you're using any fabric softener. Any sort of additives will break all that stuff out of there and allow that to pass through in the drain.
That's a good tip.
All
Okay.
right.
All right.
So you got 4 cycles here on your main knob. Heavy duty, normal eco, hand wash, delicate, and then soak and pre-wash.
Okay.
Soak and pre-wash is not a full cycle, which you would think. It would only be just a soak and a spin.
Oh.
So those ones right there would just be a soak and then the spin at the end.
Huh. Why would you use a soak and
If you needed, say you needed to
to pre-soak it
There you go.
it's like
Exactly.
it's real dirty stuff.
Yep, okay. And then heavy duty, normal eco, and hand wash delicate, those are your full cycles. Heavy duty is going to give you a full hot rinse. I don't know if they explained this to you at the store, but the normal eco will never do a full hot. Just because it's the most economic cycle. So if you need that hot water, then go ahead and run it on heavy duty.
Okay.
It'll just be easier on you. Also on the normal eco, it does a spray rinse. So rather than filling up the tub again, it just sprays the clothes.
Okay.
So if you need the deep rinse, you go ahead and run on that heavy duty again.
We don't particularly care for the spray rinse. We like the full immersion.
Then just feel free to run it on a heavy duty as much as you'd like. That'll go ahead and get that done for you.
Okay.
So heavy, medium, light here at the top, that's the soil level of the clothes, so how dirty the clothes are. And then it just tells you as it goes through the cycle where it's at, and it'll go ahead and click down through there.
Okay.
And then same thing for the normal eco and the hand wash. Go ahead and pull the knob to start it, push it into pause it.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
As far as in the tub goes, fabric softener goes inside of this little container up here. The liquid bleach goes in here on the left.
Oh.
And then your detergent just goes right over the top of the clothes.
Oh, the liquid bleach actually goes in there.
Yep, so right there for you.
Okay.
Alright.
And then what'd you say about in there?
Just detergent goes right over the top of the
Oh,
clothes.
Yep, and
okay.
Make sure clothes are just evenly spaced around the agitator pool, since
So
they
they won't-
can anything bulkier can, like sheets, larger towels, can get wrapped around that. So just make sure they're evenly positioned around the drum.
Evenly positioned so they won't get tangled
Exactly.
Exactly.
So,
Okay. That makes sense.
I don't know if you guys are currently use high efficiency soap. It's this little HE logo. We do recommend if you're not using it, you would switch to it. It's just basically a higher concentrate of soap.
Oh.
So and then also with that, you're going to want to use half the amount that it recommends.
Okay.
So just makes it last a little bit longer, makes it easier on the machine, but does the same amount of cleaning.
All right. That sounds good.
All right, over here to the dryer.
Okay, here we go. The dryer now. Okay.
All right, so you have your fabric selector. So regular, this is gonna be your cottons, your normal everyday clothes, delicate clothes, and then no heat. This basically just determines the amount of
No heat would be like to fluff them.
Exactly. Yeah, if you just wanted to tumble. So,
Okay.
all right, and then just simple over here to the main knob you got here. And this is the automatic and regular. This is going to be your everyday cycle, what you would typically run. Max dry, more dry, less dry, and then just a cool down. That's going to be as the cycle goes through, we'll reach that.
Oh.
And then time dry if you need it, and then automatic permanent press if you needed it.
Okay.
So
basically you're going to use this up in here.
Yep, that'll be your everyday cycle.
Right, everyday cycle's up in here. Okay.
Yep, and then this one, just push it in to start it. And then if you need to pause or cancel, just open the door.
Open the door. Okay.
Yep.
So how do you start it again? Just by pushing it in?
Push it in.
Push it in to start it.
And
Okay.
I'm gonna check.
Because I think our other one had a button you push to start it.
Yeah, so just pushing the knob to start it.
Can you check to see if it's heating?
It is heating. We already checked it. Yeah.
Ah, gotcha. Okay,
So-
that was the problem with our
Yeah.
old one. It
So
was,
it's the main thing is as long as it's heating and as long as you feel airflow through that link catch. So if you go ahead and pull the link catch out
yeah.
and hold down the button
Hold
there.
down this door
That,
button. and
oh,
start it.
wait a minute. Okay, so is that okay? There's the
Door button's right there.
There's the button.
So that'll stop the. That's
Okay.
how it knows the door's
Oh,
open.
then you can start it
You can
like
start
that,
it and just check to make sure that it's got
Oh.
a good airflow and you're
Oh.
good right now.
and,
So.
and it's already getting warm.
Yep. It's already getting
Great.
warm. So you will detect a little smell coming off of it, just as it's breaking in.
Yeah.
That won't get on the clothes at all. It's just on the heating element, which is in the back. So.
Oh, gotcha,
we'll
gotcha.
come on any of the clothes, and it'll just.
It'll smell like it's burning. It'll smell
Yeah.
a little oily, burning smell. But other than that, it's just the oils on the heating element. It won't get in the clothes like you were saying. And it should come off in
Now-
about the first cycle or so.
If I post this on YouTube and it gets 1 million hits, I get a tape.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. All right, as long as you give us a cut at the end of it.
Okay, you'll get a
All
cut. Right,
as long as
right.
we got our
So,
cut.
and then just you want to make sure you get the lint trap cleaned out after every load. This
Uh-huh.
little guy just goes over the top to catch it.
Uh-huh.
Just want to scoop that out.
Uh-huh.
And you could even pull it out and just vacuum it out if you choose to.
Okay.
So.
All right, guys. That's a good tutorial. I'm going to stop it now.